Good day. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. We had this sound the last time. Can we revise? What's the sound? What does it sound?
I.
Good job. Okay. Now,
Tie. Ties.
tight. Good. Again.
Sides.
Good. Today we are going on a different sound, and this. What's this? What does it sound?
A.
Again?
A.
Good. Okay. Okay. Let me go this way. What's this?
White.
Again?
White.
This one?
White.
Look at it.
White.
Again?
White.
Again?
White.
Again?
White.
Weight. What's the meaning of weight?
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting. Good. Aha. Let me look. What about this?
White.
Again?
Wait.
What's the meaning of this?
Wait for me.
Wait for me. Good. Wait for me. Good. Okay, good. However, let's maintain where we are. What's this?
Wait.
Wait. Okay. Let me keep. Okay. What about this?
Fight. Fight.
Again.
Fight.
Again.
Fight.
I didn't get that.
Fight.
Again.
Fight.
Freight. Again.
Fight.
Freight. What is freight?
Fight is meaning to pack plenty goods on a truck or aircraft or ship.
Oh, good job. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, we do much more. Thank you for your time. Now, this is a blending board that we use on Cyrus. We help reinforce reading for children, and we hope parents come join us. Thank you.